How to contact GoPro Quik support. First of all, open the app on your device. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Then select Get Support from the options. You will see two choices, Contact Us and Support Hub. If you tap on Contact Us, it will open your browser where you can choose the type of the support you need, such as product support, account subscription, billing support, or order, shipping, return support. If you tap on Support Hub, you can browse the help center for facts, troubleshooting guides, and tutorials that may answer your questions immediately. On the same screen, you will see the Can I Help button. Tap on it and the chat box will open. Here you can provide necessary details about your issue, including your account information, device model, and a clear description of the problem. After supporting your query, the GoPro support team will get back to you to resolve your issue efficiently. Now you know how to contact GoPro Quik support quickly and effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.